back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you've been following me on social media, you know for the past month I've had in Marley Twists. I got them for my birthday, but now it's time to take them out and restore my hair. So in this video, I'm going to show you what products I use to bring strength, moisture, and manageability back to my hair. So if you're interested, just keep watching. With the first product, I'm going to use these gloves just to apply the product. The product is actually natural. It's not harmful at all, but it is a sticky texture. So the gloves are just going to provide some slip. So I just went ahead and rinsed my hair. I do have low porosity hair, which just means my hair doesn't absorb products easily. So I rinse it with warm water to open up the hair cuticle to apply my products. So here's the first product. It is the EATAE natural product, the Carmel Reconstructing treatment. This product is amazing. This deep conditioning treatment is infused with real bananas and honey. It restores moisture and softness. It also minimizes breakage and helps promote growth. This product is safe to use for children starting at the age of 1 all the way up to adulthood, and it's perfect for natural, relaxed, and transitioning hair. This is one of those treatments that you should definitely do before you cleanse your hair. As you can see, it is like a honey texture or a caramel texture. So you definitely want to use this treatment before you shampoo or cleanse your hair. That way you're able to remove the product. But the benefits are amazing. The product also recommends that you apply this in sections on damp hair. That way it's easy to glide through the strands. So you see me here just working in sections. I finger detangle lightly and then I just twist up in a twist. I'm also rubbing this product on my scalp. It does have apple cider vinegar in it. Vinegar is known to help remove buildup from the hair, and wearing braids for a month I did have some buildup in my roots and on my scalp, so I just wanted to make sure I applied the product to my scalp as well. Now I'm just going to pin up both sides of my hair and place a plastic cap on. You see me placing 2 caps on just because this product, when it heats up under the cap, it does get a little watery and I want to stop drippage. So I let that treatment sit for about 15 minutes. Then I rinsed and cleansed with the Briogeo Be Gentle, Be Kind, Avocado, and Quinoa Co-Wash. It's a 4-in-1 formula that effectively cleanses, conditions, detangles, and nourishes hair. This ultra-hydrating cleanser removes impurities without stripping hair of its natural oils. The active ingredients are shea, avocado oil, quinoa extract, and soothing aloe. These ingredients help to enhance manageability and the healthiness of hair. Now I'm going to apply my deep conditioner, and today to restore my hair I'm going to use Ouidad's Curl Recovery Meltdown Extreme Repair Mask. The active ingredients in this product are Mafura butter and Kalahari melon seed oil. These provide a cushion-like coating on each hair shaft, concentrated with fatty acids vital to rebuilding, nourishing, and protecting the hair. So I'm going to take small sections and apply this deep conditioner throughout my hair. I have yet to detangle. This will be my first time detangling since taking my braids down. I did have pretty large braids, so my hair wasn't really tangled, but I did suffer from some knotting and a lot of shedding, which is to be expected. The link to all the products used in today's video will be down below in the description box. If you're wondering what kind of brush I'm just using a Denman brush I bought from Sally's Beauty for about $10 or so. So again, I'm just gonna put another plastic cap on and deep condition for about 45 minutes. Here is my hair freshly rinsed, no product. And here is my hair styled in a wash and go. And that's all I do to get my curls back and poppin' after braids. Thank you so much for watching. If you want to see more, click on previous videos that I've posted on my channel right here. And if you are interested in becoming a part of the Galore family, just click on my face to subscribe.